What did you get stuck up there?
It's like.
Are you sure you can't get that?
Holy crap. Black Widow. Scratch that. Dead Black Widow. That sucks for him.
I'm not gonna lie. That is at least the second or third Black Widow I've seen around this school, which I find very entertaining. But I thought he was gonna be alive, not dead. He looked alive, but I think the cold is good. Ooh. Found a dime. But yeah. Oh, it's starting to rain. I don't want it to rain. Well, band is practicing. I got 2 hours of doing basically nothing until my game night. So I'm just kind of walking around aimlessly at school. Really bored. Flash flood anybody? Holy bejesus. I have to go outside in this. This is gonna be fun. There's a bloody stream right here. Yeah, it's raining just a little bit. Oh, Jesus.